Luxury deserves brilliance, but this SKODA Superb has lost its shine. Years of wear, exposure to the elements. The glow is gone, but not for long. We're bringing back its true glory with a complete full-body repaint, a stunning alloy wheel refresh, and for the ultimate finish, a high-gloss ceramic coating. Precision, passion, perfection, every coat applied with expert craftsmanship. Wheels transformed, sleek, stylish, and factory fresh. Locked in with ceramic protection, extreme gloss, and long-lasting durability. From faded to flawless, this SKODA Superb is back to turning heads. Let's take you through the full journey of how we brought this Superb back to life.
Hi everyone, I'm Meena here from Krithi Car Care. In this video, we are going to show you a full body painting of this SKODA Superb. Customer has bought this car second hand, and wherever the earlier paint job was done, it is showing up certain blisters on the body panels. And that's the reason why customer wants to do the painting. Apart from painting of the full body, we are also going to do alloy wheel painting and ceramic coating for the car.
The first step, precision dismantling. We carefully remove essential parts to ensure every panel gets a flawless finish. Next, we strip away imperfections. The entire body is sanded down, creating a smooth surface for the perfect paint adhesion. Time to refine the surface. We apply high-quality putty to fill minor irregularities, followed by precision sanding for a smooth finish. Then a uniform coat of premium primer locks in the foundation, ensuring the paint bonds perfectly and lasts longer. Now, the transformation begins. We apply multiple layers of rich, deep paint, followed by a high-gloss clear coat for that showroom shine. Every coat applied with precision, ensuring a flawless, mirror-like finish. Wheels complete the look. We sand, prime, and repaint the alloys, giving them a sleek, factory-fresh finish. To enhance grip and style, we're adding a brand new set of premium tires. Now this Superb is not just about looks. It's ready to hit the road with confidence. Once the paint cures, we refine it further, sanding out any tiny imperfections and machine polishing for that ultra-deep glass-like shine. The result? A flawless, mirror-like finish that looks straight out of a showroom. Now it's time for the real magic. We apply a high-grade ceramic coating, bonding at a molecular level to create an ultra-durable protective layer. This hydrophobic shield repels water, dirt, and UV rays, keeping the paint looking brand new for years.
Post painting and ceramic coating, this is how the car looks now. Apart from the body shop services, we also do offer PPF, ceramic coating, sun films, general repairs, alignment and balancing of the car. I hope you like the video and do subscribe to our channel and do like and share the videos. If you need anything for your car, please do reach out to us on the number which is mentioned by end of this video.